You've most likely noticed the creative ways that Photoshop can bring your imagination to life. Whether you're improving the tone and erasing distracting ads from a photo, combining images of cityscapes and mountains to create new worlds, or assembling social graphics for your podcast, Photoshop can help. Regardless of your creative goals, if you want to learn how to use Photoshop, you've come to the right place. Don't worry about completing something perfect right away. The idea of producing something like the silhouette of a city and a moon might seem intimidating, but Photoshop is a powerful app, and we're here to guide the way. Although, if you really think about it, you aren't starting from scratch. Once you're in the process of creating, you'll realize how much you already know. Have you ever edited a photo on your phone? If the answer is yes, then you already have some essential photo editing skills, like cropping or removing objects. The same is true whether you're retouching an image, assembling a photo collage, or designing a poster. Check out this swipeable textured photo collage. What you've learned by using other apps often translates to what you'll do in Photoshop. First things first, let's show you around. In this hands-on tutorial, we'll take you directly into Photoshop and introduce you to the essential parts of the workspace. We'll look at panels, tools, and the settings you'll use most. And as a bonus, we'll even guide you through a bit of well-known Photoshop magic with one of our favorite animals, the giraffe, in a surreal paradise. Now it's your turn. Start this tutorial with step-by-step instructions where you'll practice getting to know the app.
This is the Layers panel. It's one of many panels you'll use as you work in Photoshop. Let's see how you'd work with the Layers panel to edit this image. Click Next to continue. Layers, the building blocks of every image. Every Photoshop file has at least one layer. Look in the Layers panel to see how many layers this file has. To make designing flexible, you can turn layers on and off. How might the image look with a planet in the background? Click the empty box to the left of the planet layer to turn on Layer-Planet. The planet layer is now visible in the image, but it appears on top of the giraffe and the trees. We can fix that by changing the order of the layers in the Layers panel. Click Next to continue. Drag the planet layer below the waterfall layer. Release when you see a blue line under the waterfall layer. Click Next to continue. That looks better. Now the planet appears behind the giraffe and the trees. Reordering layers in the panel changes the order of the images on the canvas. Click Next to continue.
The Move tool is an essential part of Photoshop, allowing you to move not only individual layers, but entire groups. This makes it a powerful tool for organizing and arranging your workspace. With the Move tool, you can also rotate, skew, and scale your selections. Just make sure the Show Transform Controls options in the options bar is enabled. Once enabled, you'll see transform handles around the corners of your selection. Click and drag these handles to modify your selection. And don't forget, you can quickly access the Move tool at any time by pressing V on your keyboard. The Move tool also has an auto select feature, which allows you to easily switch between selecting layers and groups. To use this feature, simply enable the auto select checkbox in the options bar and choose either layer or group from the drop-down menu. For more precise adjustments, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge elements in small increments. And here's an advanced tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging an element with the Move tool to constrain its movement to a straight line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. The Spot Healing Brush tool is perfect for removing small imperfections, such as dust spots, blemishes, or scratches from your image. It works by blending the area you want to remove with the surrounding area, creating a seamless patch. To quickly access the Spot Healing Brush tool, press J on your keyboard or find it in the toolbar. Once you have the appropriate brush size, click on the area you want to remove. The Spot Healing Brush tool will automatically sample the surrounding area and replace the spot with a seamless patch, making the imperfection disappear. This can even be done on a new layer. Just be sure to check the option box, Sample All Layers. For easy object removal, the Spot Healing Brush tool is the go-to solution.